Good morning, everyone. I'm Himanshi Baraskar, and I'm a final year BTech student of Mathematics and Computing Department at IIT Delhi. And I'm also excited to share that I've received a pre-placement offer from Jaguar Land Rover, and soon I will be starting my professional journey. A bit about myself. I come from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and in my family we are 5 members. My father works in a printing press and my mother is a homemaker. With all three of us studying, my family faced several financial challenges, but my parents worked really hard to provide us the best possible education that they can give us. A significant turning point came into my life when I got selected for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in class 6 for free education and accommodation. Since then, I have lived in hostel with all my expenses covered up till class 10. But when the time came for the JEE preparation, my family couldn't afford the cost for the coaching, but they have always motivated me, and so I prepared for the examination for Dakshina Foundation, and fortunately I got selected for their 2-year free JEE coaching program. But when I made it to IIT Delhi, it was like a dream come true. But it also brought some new challenges. While I was excited to start my journey in such a prestigious institution, but I was also worried about how my family will manage the high expenses of academics and the accommodation. But my family supported me a lot, and when the first fee payment was due, they have arranged it without letting me worry about even a single thing. During that time, some of my senior introduced me to the Buddy for Study portal, and that's where I got to know about the Kotak Kanya scholarship. Being awarded this scholarship is nothing short of a blessing for me. Like, it have eased the financial burden, and it provided me with the sense of peace that allowed me to fully focus on my studies without constantly worrying about money. But I was pleasantly surprised when I got to know that this scholarship is not just about the financial support, but there is more to it. And I'm also going to get various student engagement activities where I will develop my qualities and enhance my skills for the job readiness. Their one-to-one mentoring calls, their finishing school sessions, and mental health workshops, these all have helped me build my personality and have significantly improved my public speaking skills. Especially their mock interviews and the personalized guidance that I got from the mentorship calls, that really helped me prepare for facing the real life challenges, and that ultimately helped me in cracking my interview in such a good organization. So they have not just eased my journey through IIT, but they have also empowered me to be more confident, resilient, and prepared for the future. I was also fortunate to be the part of the meet and greet event organized by them in Mumbai. During that, we visited the Kotak Mahindra Bank, met the scholarship team, and enjoyed a lot exploring the city together. Connecting with so many wonderful people was a great experience for me. I'm incredibly grateful to the Kotak Kanya Scholarship, to the Kotak Education Foundation for believing in me and giving me this opportunity. Their commitment in nurturing the young minds is far beyond than just the financial support. They are dedicated in making us confident, well-rounded individuals who are ready to take on the world as the future leaders. Inspired by their help, I hope to someday give back to the community in a meaningful way, as the society has helped me in each and every part of my life when I needed it the most. At last, I want to thank Kotak Education Foundation and all the people who are a part of this team who have worked hard in making us a better individual. So I can't express how grateful I am to be the part of this opportunity. And thank you so much to be such an important part of my journey. So thank you all.